Blah. Oh.
Ew, stop it! Stop slurping, swallow it. Drink your drink. Push me up, guys. Oh my god, I'm getting your hair. I know. Your turn. Can you see shit?
No.
Wow, you've been drinking for years. You know how to use it.
I've been drinking for years.
I'm Missouri. It was president. Drinking for years, Mom.
Mom.
Everyone hold out your hands.
My hands down. Is that my cup?
That's your cup. I've been drinking.
I've been drinking. Okay, you know what?
Drink.
Oh.
Cool, yes ma'am. I feel like I'm being hazed. Drink.
Drink.
You have to swallow it.
I am not swallowing on anybody's watch. I am not swallowing.
But I don't know if you guys remember from last week, Joe Santoni, he's going to be moving out to Cali in just a couple weeks. And he's going to be with me. And we are creating a YouTube channel. And it's probably going to be called Caliganders. But I don't know, because we're Michiganders living in Cali. So, you know, stay tuned.
Joe and Christina are like fireworks.
Tip top of the front.
Like seriously, like I love Audrey, like nobody's business, but Christina and Joe are like 4th of July.
The tide is high and then you're boss.
Stop.
Tide is high, but I'm holding on.
I'm gonna be your number one. We sound
I know, we
good.
did.
Joe would be impressed.
Joe gonna be like, you guys sounded horrible.
Untrained
'Cause he's
professional.
like, right.
Stop.
Yes, no, you don't.
I really like that. It was really great footage, but we really need to get some
Okay.
stuff in your mouth.
Premiere was
Gup, gup, gup.
go, go, go.
Gup, 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 gup.
Mimosa morning.
Gup, 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 gup.